if you put your phone on the charge or by incident it just goes blank, so it's very easy way to turn it back on. So just try with your phone, and if your phone has that problem which is called DFU mode, or whenever your phone is just hit incidentally somewhere or extra charge or something, it will go to that sleep mode. So how to wake up, it's very simple method. Just you need to press volume up, volume down, and the power button. So just try and let's see if it turns on. So right now this is totally in DFU mode, and there's another method I mentioned in the video how to turn on the DFU mode, but so let's try that method. So just press volume up and then volume down, and then press and hold volume power button. See, now it is turning on. And if your phone is totally dead, it's not giving any kind of sign, so you can just try this method to awake your phone and make it working. Thumbs up if you like that video. See you in the next video.